tired of choking down green smoothies that taste like grass? There's a simple trick to make chlorella smoothies delicious without sacrificing the health benefits. I've cracked the code to make chlorella smoothies taste amazing. You won't believe the delicious recipes I have for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rootsgarden. Today I'm going to share with you 5 delicious chlorella smoothie recipes that not only taste amazing, but are also incredibly beneficial for your health. These recipes are a perfect way to sneak in some extra greens and supercharge your day with essential nutrients. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with some amazing chlorella smoothie recipes that actually taste good. Let's start with our first chlorella smoothie recipe. This refreshing blend includes chlorella powder, spinach, banana, a fruit kiwi or pineapple, coconut water, or simple filter water. The chlorella adds a vibrant green color and a boost of antioxidants, while the fruits provide a sweet and tropical flavor. It's a perfect pick-me-up for any time of the day. Next up, we have the recipe number 2 featuring the following: kale, mango cubes, fresh ginger, lemons or limes, coconut water or filtered water, maple syrup, chlorella powder. The fruits and veggies can be either fresh or frozen as you prefer. Once well blended, taste and adjust seasonings as needed. If too tart, add more fruit or a little maple syrup. For more zing, add ginger. And for more acidity, add more lemon juice. To make it thicker, colder, add some ice and blend as needed. Moving on to our third recipe, we have a simple yet delicious chlorella smoothie that you can whip up in minutes. All you need is chlorella powder, cucumber, some mint, lime, fresh apple, and/or coconut water. This recipe is not only refreshing, but also incredibly hydrating, making it an ideal choice for a hot summer day or after a workout. Feel free to experiment with this smoothie as per your taste preferences. Before we move on to our last best recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos like this. Moving forward, now we have a versatile chlorella smoothie recipe that allows for endless variations and substitutions. You can customize this smoothie by adding your favorite fruits, greens, or seeds. The base ingredients include frozen bananas, almond milk, frozen strawberries, chlorella powder. Simply combine all the listed ingredients in a blender and mix until creamy. Pour the blend into a glass and savor the flavor. Feel free to get creative and make this recipe your own. Saving the best for last, I absolutely adore the chlorella and spirulina energy bars. Here are the ingredients needed for this nutritious energy bar: cashews, unsweetened shredded coconut, pitted dates, hemp seeds, chlorella and spirulina powder, lemon juice. When processed in a food processor, the blend should achieve a crumbly but damp consistency and should bind well. If the blend is unbindable, feel free to stir in a tablespoon of water. Compact the blend into a lined, snug square or rectangular mold to achieve a uniform shape and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or freeze for 30 minutes. Cut into bar-shaped pieces and enjoy your handmade snack. Store it in the refrigerator to keep them fresh for up to 5 days. Feeling inspired by these recipes? Why not try making one yourself? Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and leave a comment below sharing your favorite one. Cheers to a happy and healthy lifestyle.